Alright, so we're asked to find the tangent line at 1, 1, and then we're going to write an equation of it. So I'm going to mark 1, 1 right about there, and then I'm going to try and draw a tangent line here. And the tangent line looks like it goes kind of up like this. So it looks like it's going to go through that 1.5, and it's going to go all the way up here, and it looks like it's going through 3. So if you were to count it out, it looks like my slope here, if I count this, it goes down 1, 2, and then over 1. So it's minus 2 to the right 1, so my slope is equal to a negative 2. So if I use point slope form, which is y2 minus y1 equals m, x2 minus x1, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to plug in 1, 1 as a point here. So I've got y2 minus 1 equals my slope, which is negative 2. And then I've got x2 minus 1. So this is going to be the equation of the line that is tangent at that point 1, 1.